Some breaking news coming in right now. Famous Punjabi singer Parmish Verma has been shot during the intervening night in Mohali. Verma is out of danger and is currently undergoing treatment. Interestingly, a man had claimed to be behind Verma's shooting. Dahan uploaded a status on his Facebook page along with a picture of himself holding a pistol and another picture of Verma with a cross drawn on it. My colleague Manjeet Sehgal is on the phone line with me. Manjeet, what is Parmish's condition right now, and what are the details behind what is the motivation for this assault on his life?
Well, Poloni Parmesh Verma and his friends were hurt, but they were admitted and they are out of danger now. One of the Punjab gangsters identified as Dilpreet Singh has taken the responsibility for the attack, who along with his accomplices, they were 3 in number, came in one I-20 car yesterday night and attacked the film producer director Parmish Verma, who is out of danger now. But this incident has once again proved that gangsters in Punjab are beyond the control of the police and are openly taking responsibilities for the murders, ransoms, and even posting their updates on social media, sitting in the jail itself. Punjab jails have also earned a bad name for the use of internet and social media in the jails. But so far, no arrests have been made in this particular case, and the singer and his friends are out of danger. Well,
it's absolutely shocking, as you point out, that people are now putting out on social media that they're going to kill someone. But what is the reason behind this attack, Manjeet? Is there any personal enmity angle?
Well, police is saying that they are investigating the case. There may be some personal animosity between the singer and the gangster. And the singer himself has not given his statement so far what was the reason behind. But the sources are telling us that the gangsters are using social media chat application Facebook to contact each other and to mastermind the attacks. Even ISI hand is also expected behind this. Some gangsters were arrested recently, and even some spies have confirmed that ISI was behind the use of social media apps, particularly Facebook, and has been trying to radicalize Punjab youth through this social media app. Follow me.
Right, Manjeet, thank you so much for those details.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.